Yo, bro, you're my Uber, right?
Yeah, this is me. Let's go.
All right, bet. Can I get aux for this drive?
Yeah, sure. You just gotta use this Bluetooth transmitter.
Bluetooth transmitter? Bro, I'm not riding a car that doesn't have CarPlay, dude. I'm not broke.
It's like $500. I drive Uber. I can't afford that.
$500? Dude, I'd rather walk. Here, just take this.
Man, are you rich? How do you just have a CarPlay laying around? You don't
What?
even have a car.
It was like $40, dude. Just set it up running late.
What does this screen even do?
Bro, it's fully functional CarPlay.
So you're telling me I can send messages, make calls, get directions, and listen to my music for $40?
Yep, and you left something in the box.
There's a backup camera in here? Where did you get this for so cheap?
I got it off TikTok. Normally like $80, but I got it on sale for $40.
Wow, could you send me that link? My friends would love one of these.
Yeah, I got you, but that's sailing tonight, so don't wait. And for anyone else who wants one, I'll leave the link right here.